Hi guys, I push some buttons and I don't know what I'm wanna push and see the mouse. You can move screen like this by the mouse, but I don't know what I put. It not move like this, only by the keyboard. So how to fix it? You go settings and just do reset hotkeys, and that's it. If it doesn't work, you have to go. Sometimes game is glitching. You go out of the game and do it again, same thing, and that will be fixed. That will be you can move from camera by the mouse. That's all I want to tell you today. Subscribe, like, and comment. Bye bye.